Okay, so we're going to do a quick overview of that final problem that you guys did last class. I know most of the time I will give you these immediately after you do the practice problem because I think it's the best way to learn. But this one, I just wanted to do a little special practice to give you a chance to really try it and not just copy it. Because copying doesn't really help you in this class. All it does is make your pair deck problems, which are already not graded based on accuracy, to be done quicker, which is kind of dumb. You'll do worse in my class if you could go forward watching the videos first. Just letting you know, don't do that. Okay? So, the time that Usain Bolt got in the 100-meter dash was 9.58. We know that was his time, right? So, the distance that he traveled was 100 meters. We know that because it was a 100-meter dash, right? So if we're trying to find his speed, generally when we approach those types of questions, it'll be written in miles per hour or meters per second. So we've got meters per second here. So if we match the numbers to these little variables, these little units, we would have 100 divided by 9.58, which, let me quickly calculate, was 100 divided by 9.58, 10.4, 10.4 meters per second. So if we go through each other one real quick, FloJo, her time, this is how you normally would write it. You do the variable to the left. I did it stupidly over here, but don't ignore that. So FloJo is 10.49. Her distance, again, 100 meters. You do 100 meters divided by 10.49, and you would get, again, plug it into your calculator, 100 divided by 10.49, which is 9.53 meters per second. And the last one was me, which was the fastest 100-meter sprint of all time, right? That's what the video is called. You should have watched it. That was the total time. The distance is 100 meters. All right. This was my actual speed in which I sped walk the 100-meter dash. So 100 divided by 39.68. And you will find that, unfortunately, while it may have seemed like the fastest 100-meter sprint of all time, it in fact was nowhere close. Oops, that's supposed to be a 2. 2.52. Oh, no, I'm not looking. 2.52 meters per second, which is smaller than Usain Bolt's and FloJo's. Unfortunately, I didn't stretch properly before I did this. So, as you all know, you do run faster when you stretch. I should have done that. But that is it. That is all I wanted to show you. Hopefully, this makes a little bit of sense. We'll do more practice problems like this going forward. Good luck. You'll be fine. All right. See you in class.